Your home's windows do much more than frame your view of the Gulf Coast. They play a major role in energy efficiency, comfort, and curb appeal. In League City, where the climate brings humid summers and unpredictable storms, aging or damaged windows can lead to higher utility bills, drafty interiors, and even water damage. Knowing when it's time to replace your windows can help you protect your investment and keep your home running efficiently year-round. Rising energy bills and poor insulation. If you've noticed your electric bill creeping up despite no major changes in your energy habits, your windows could be to blame. Older windows, especially single-pane models, allow heat to transfer easily, forcing your HVAC system to work harder. In League City's hot, humid summers, that means more strain on your air conditioner and increased cooling costs. Replacing outdated windows with modern, energy-efficient ones, like double or triple pane glass with low E coatings, helps regulate indoor temperatures. The result? Lower energy bills, consistent comfort, and a smaller environmental footprint. Drafts and uneven indoor temperatures. Feeling a breeze even when your windows are closed is a clear sign of air leakage. Over time, window seals can wear down due to heat, humidity, and exposure to salt air common along the Texas coast. Drafts make it hard to maintain a comfortable temperature, especially near windowed areas, and may lead to condensation or moisture buildup. New, properly installed windows eliminate drafts, keeping indoor air sealed tight. Not only does this improve comfort, but it also reduces the wear and tear on your HVAC system. Visible damage and decay. Wood rot, cracked glass, or warped frames are more than just cosmetic issues, they signal structural deterioration. In League City, where humidity levels can accelerate wood decay and cause metal frames to corrode, damaged windows can compromise your home's safety and efficiency. Cracked or broken panes let in moisture and pests, while soft or discolored window frames may indicate water infiltration. Replacing damaged windows promptly helps prevent mold growth, structural damage, and costly future repairs. Difficulty opening or closing windows. Windows that stick, jam, or refuse to stay open often have underlying mechanical or structural problems. This can be due to warped frames, rusted hinges, or shifting foundations caused by the region's clay-rich soil. Besides being inconvenient, these issues can pose safety risks in case of emergencies when windows need to open easily. Modern window designs offer smoother operation, better locking mechanisms, and enhanced ventilation. Upgrading ensures both convenience and peace of mind. Condensation between window panes. Double or triple pane windows are designed with insulating gas between the panes. If you see moisture or fog inside the glass, the seal has failed. This allows air and humidity to enter, reducing insulation and leading to foggy, unattractive windows. In League City's humid conditions, this problem can worsen quickly. Replacing fogged windows restores clarity and improves your home's insulation, ensuring energy efficiency and visual appeal. Outside noise is louder indoors. If street noise, barking dogs, or nearby traffic seem louder than before, your windows may no longer provide adequate sound insulation. Modern window technology with laminated glass or multiple panes can significantly reduce outdoor noise, perfect for creating a quieter, more relaxing home environment. Outdated aesthetics or poor curb appeal. Even if your windows still function, outdated styles can make your home look tired. New windows can dramatically enhance your home's exterior appearance, increasing its resale value and charm. With customizable options in materials, colors, and designs, replacement windows can complement both modern and traditional League City homes. Enhance your League City home with modern windows. Replacing your old or inefficient windows is one of the smartest investments you can make for your League City home. You'll enjoy better comfort, lower energy costs, improved security, and an updated aesthetic, all while boosting property value. If you've noticed any of these signs, it's worth consulting a local window replacement professional who understands the area's unique weather and building conditions. With expert guidance, You can choose high-quality, energy-efficient windows that keep your home comfortable and beautiful for years to come.